Trait purity is a top priority for Pioneer. Cleaning combines used for harvesting seed is a critical step in the seed production process and is necessary to sustain our goal of being a reliable supplier of high-quality seed. As a seed grower, you are responsible for combine maintenance and cleanliness. Pioneer requires the combine to be thoroughly cleaned to maintain purity standards. This video will demonstrate how to clean all areas of the combine, including the head, grain tank, feeder house, threshing and separating units, followed by how to effectively flush the system. Although there may be slight differences, the process being demonstrated in this video can be applied to cleaning any model of combine used for seed. Prior to any service or cleaning, read, understand, and follow the safety procedures outlined for your specific combine in the manufacturer's operator's manual. Since safety is a core value of DuPont Pioneer, we want to be sure that you are safe when working around combines. Preparing for combine cleaning activities, the following tools and safety items should be at hand. Protective personal equipment, including a hard hat, goggles, dust mask, gloves and hearing protection, cleaning equipment, including a high-quality gas-powered leaf blower or an air compressor with a wand and vacuum with a hose attachment. Hand tools like picks, scrapers, and a pry bar are necessary, and other cleaning equipment such as brooms and brushes may also be needed. Before use, make sure all tools and equipment are in safe operating condition. Ensure all safety precautions such as lockout, tagout, and visual contact are understood for those helping clean the combine. In this training, we are using an air compressor to clean out the combine, so check that air and vacuum connections are tight and all hoses and cords are intact. To start cleaning, park the combine into the wind, which will help keep clean areas clean. Begin by opening the rock trap and unload auger sump door before moving the combine. After the combine is securely parked and locked out, open all of the machine's side and bottom panels as well as access doors. This includes the clean grain sump door, the feeder house cover, header drive belt shields on each side of the head, tailings elevator door, clean grain elevator door, and the access doors to the rotor or threshing area. Cleaning should begin at the combine's head. Clean the machine from top to bottom and from front to back. This will ensure the cleaned areas stay clean. At the head, use the air wand to blow out any loose debris. Check the rock trap for any grain hidden by dust or dirt. Pay attention to any cracks or crevices where seeds may settle, including the hydraulic hoses, electrical wires, reel, cutter bar, and corners leading to the feeder house. The combine head can be ran to loosen trapped seeds. However, before starting the head, make sure everyone is clear of the machine to avoid injury. Lift and secure the head with the head lock and then clear under the platform to remove any trapped seed or plant materials. Once the head is clean, detach it from the combine and move it out of the way. This will prevent any other seed from falling onto the cleaned head. The next area to be cleaned is the grain tank. It may be necessary to remove the grain tank auger covers to have better access to the bottom of the grain tank elevator and auger. Again, remember that different combine brands and models may have different guarding. Clean grain out and blow it through the unload sump door. In the grain tank, you may have to take up the horizontal shields to clean the machine. Clean behind the gear case and under the back of the horizontal augers. Blow all seed toward the grain sump. Carefully clean the auger and trough, the grain sump and shields, the intersection of the grain sump and gear case, and the wall of the grain tank. Also clean the brackets, ledges, and around wires and hoses. Any leftover grain should be vacuumed. Once the grain tank is clean, blow off the top of the combine cab. Begin cleaning the feeder house area by blowing it out. For combine models with a rock trap, it may be necessary to pry loose clumps of lodged material in addition to using compressed air to ensure the area gets clean. Blow off the feeder house by lifting and cleaning under flaps as well as around and underneath the hydraulic hoses. Pay special attention to flaps above the feeder house and underneath the flap in the lower part of the feeder house. Ensure everyone in the field is clear, then run the machine and blow out the feeder house again. To clean the rotor, use the air wand to blow out under the fan, avoiding directing debris toward the clean grain area. Clean the tailing auger troughs and the grain elevator. Running the machine when empty is not enough to fully clean these areas. Use compressed air to blow off the top of the rotor cage, the edges around both sides of the rotor, making sure dust and free grain blows out the back of the machine. Moving towards the back of the combine, blow out auger pans to remove any residual grain. The rails and pans above the sieves should be blown out, aiming away from the combine's interior. Plant material or grain caught in or around the sieves should also be removed downward and out the back. Next, run the machine with all the doors and traps open. Blow out the rotor areas again and vacuum auger pans and other areas as needed. Finally, repeat the process until the machine is clean. Properly cleaning harvest equipment is an important step to ensuring a pure seed supply. Check with your production agronomist to learn of specific cleaning procedures that may be required for specialty traits. Following the steps outlined in this procedure will ensure your combine is cleaned to the Pioneer standard and will help provide high-quality seed to our customers.